everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's new video, I'm going to be reviewing this little kawaii heart-shaped light that puts little hearts in your eyes. The one with the phone tripod thingy. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, because I am a video production student and I'm a nerd, and it just makes sense that there's a company called KAWAII Lighting. It is a bit expensive, but like super cute stuff, and this is definitely not sponsored. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and check out my Instagram, PO Box, eBay, Twitter, all that stuff down below, and yeah, let's get started. Kawaii heart lamp. Do 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 do. Before I show you all the modes and things, it comes with a little detachable phone stand, and it clips onto most anything. Here is the remote with all the different modes and things. Super cute. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really pastel, really sweet and small. It retails for about $60. None of this is sponsored. This is just a review, showing you guys all the different things it can do. Wait. You can kind of see the heart in my eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm an influencer, guys. Move it over here. Aww. So yes, hello. This is my review of the KAWAII Lighting miniature heart lamp. Whoa. Look. You ready? Wow. Okay, back to normal. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. You go like this. Be more of like a, I'm an angel. And on my face, it has the 3 modes. This one makes my nose look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, iconic. And this one, which I like very much. And then it can go brighter, or not so bright, or not bright, and brighter and bright and disco. So yeah, so it's got that, and then it's got all these RPG colors. So we got red, we got orange, we got yellow-orange, we got green, we got dark green, we got mermaidy turquoise, we got mermaidy turquoise blue, we got blue, we got darker blue, lighter blue. I love that color, so pretty. We got pink, we got corally pink, we got the best kind of pink, it's like peachy. Oh, this light's so cool. We got red. Oh wait, I already did that. Okay. Then it's got all these different like modes and like cool things. Boo-tita, boopita, doo-tita-ta. It's like that old TikTok thing that was trending like a year ago. And it's got this mode. Ooh, sparkle. This is my favorite mode. This rainbow mode. This is a really interesting video, isn't it? Then it's got Christmas colors. It's got the blues. It has a lot of blue. I like that. This has like so many different kinds of modes. Oh no, we're getting close to it. Okay. Hi. This is why I don't go to, like, this is really bright. The dog's looking at me like, please turn that off. Okay. And yeah, that's all the modes. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'll be editing this and I'll see if the lighting's good or not. It makes my face look super smooth. I don't have a monitor, so I don't know if this looks exactly right, but yeah. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that super cute video. It was kind of a review. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos if you want to. And yeah, just a happy day today. Yeah, check out my Instagram, PO Box, eBay, all that stuff down below. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah. Okay, bye.